Good afternoon, Paul, Harley-Davidson here. What I've got for you today is this really lovely Sportster Xl883 Super. It's a model year 12, but it was registered in 2011. It's covered 5,000 miles and it really is packed with some lovely extras, is this bike. It's fully stage 1 tuned. It's got Vance and Hines chrome short shots on it. It's got forward controls. Nice little storage bag at the front. Very tricky single seat that's been put onto it. Throw over saddlebags for a nice bit of storage, and really cool Sissy bar and rack on the back there. As I say, it's only covered 5,000 miles in the vivid black colour, and just from every angle looks a grand bike. It's got a lovely aftermarket pegs and gear shifter, and then it's got the matching grips as well. Nice little touch as well there of the Willie G fuel cap. Really is an outstanding example of the Sportster Super. So if you'd like any further details on this great bike, or to have a ride round on her, please don't hesitate to contact us at Leeds Harley-Davidson.